demonstrate how to crochet this chain stitch flower using chain stitches and slip stitches. To create this pattern, you're going to need some yarn, a crochet hook. I'm going to use 5 millimeters, an embroidery needle, scissors, a stitch marker, and a button. Now I'm going to demonstrate the pattern as written in the description below. I'm going to start with a slip knot. Leaving a few inches of tail, and chain 1. So I keep track of my chain 1, I'm going to take my stitch marker and I'm going to place it in that chain 1. And now we've gotten to the asterisk, so the pattern will repeat. I'm going to chain 6, and do a slip stitch into the chain 1. So once I insert my hook into that chain and have 2 loops on my hook, I'm going to yarn over and pull through. And then I go back to repeat from the asterisk. I chain 6, and slip stitch into the chain 1. And as you begin to notice, that pattern creates our petals. Let me repeat that pattern 3 more times. And lastly, I need to fasten off my yarn. So I'm going to yarn over again and pull through. At this point, I can cut my yarn, again leaving in a few inches of tail. And then the loop that's on my hook, I'm going to pull it through. I'm going to remove my stitch marker, as it has served its purpose. And now I'm going to grab my embroidery needle so I can weave this end through my button. To attach the button to the flower, I'm going to decide which one I want to be the right side of my flower. Use the embroidery needle to attach the button to the flower. And with the button attached, I can insert my yarn back into the flower and bring it to the side that I decided was the wrong side. And to finish, I'm going to simply tie the 2 ends together. And that allows me to have some tail to secure the flower onto a garment. Thanks for joining my video on how to crochet a chain stitch flower. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below.